Hello community! Now in the last days, all my input channels are flooded with AI news. So I thought, how can I scan all AI news with ChatGPT so I can focus on the topic I'm interested in? So it is easy. In ChatGPT, I activate two plugins, VoxScript, Scholar AI. I tell ChatGPT that it should connect to any AI news internet page that you like. I will show you mine. Then I tell ChatGPT, read this page and give me a short summary of each news item. Then I have a look at the list. I choose one specific news item. I come back to ChatGPT, tell him, hey, find the archive preprint HTTPS link, hand it over to Scholar AI plugin. Scholar AI then reads automatically the complete technical file, the PDF file, and returns a detailed technical summary of the AI content of the archive preprint PDF file back to me. If you want to see this in action, here we go. Hello ChatGPT. Please analyze the following internet page given all the specific content and summarize each specific topic with a short technical description in one paragraph. Do not give me any internet links at this moment. I would just like to focus on the technical detail without any disturbing side effects. The link is and here we go. So, okay, here we go. The website provided, yes, video language model in action, sword cloning, this is interesting. AI agents to think while acting, okay. AI former, Minecraft, thank you. Music, okay. A modeler, multilingual sequence-to-sequence model that performs MT5, okay. Model collapse. Collapse in LLMs provides strategy to mitigate this. Creator, a novel AI framework that empowers LLM to create their own tools, yeah. Antibiotic discovery, this is interesting. CodeTF, Salesforce AI research, CodeTF, a one-stop transformer library for code large language model. Interesting, Tailcraft. So, and as you can see, I said, and please analyze the entire archive preprint document about the sword cloning. My British TH is not so good because it wrote sword cloning, and provide a comprehensive technical detailed summary of its most important part. And it came back and said, beautiful, the paper sword cloning, a new framework for modular reinforcement learning, presents a novel approach to modular reinforcement learning. Unbelievable. It gives me the introduction, the motivation, the sword cloning framework, then the training process in details where we have the pre-training and the fine-tuning like in any LLM. What happens here, we have in the fine-tuning phase the upper and the lower agent. So we have two agents, one is talking, one is thinking. Like in any good relationship, you have experiment results, conclusion on further work. We have here the link to the GitHub that works. We have the work was supported, and if you want to see the paper, here is the link to the full paper.